Hi there, my name is Naomi. Welcome back to the channel. I'm here again with another cooking video. Today, as you can see on the screen, we are going to be making fresh okra soup. Okay, we are making fresh okra with fresh catfish, dried smoked catfish, crayfish, some palm oil, some blended habanero pepper with red bell pepper and onions blended together, and everything is in my pot. I already seasoned my fish and boiled it. Okay, and then I'm just adding in some seasoning cubes, some crayfish, some salt to taste. Very simple recipe. Okay, I'm not doing too much. Very light fresh okra soup that is really enjoyable. Okay, so here I'm just mixing everything together. Everything has been mixed in the pot. I'm just gonna allow that to come to a boil. Let it boil for a bit, for like 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna chop up my okra, and then I'll go ahead to check my pot. Here I'm just checking in my fish to see if it's ready, and it's actually ready. So now I'm just gonna go in with my fresh okra. Okay, this recipe is very easy to make. Okay, it doesn't take any time at all. Like in less than 20 minutes your okra soup should be ready. This fresh okra soup is very really nice to have it on its own, like a soup. You like, for those of you who like to take just soup, can just make this something like this and put it in a bowl and just take it without swallow. If you don't like swallow, then you can just take it on its own like that. It's really good, and it's very healthy for your, for those of you who wants to shed down some weight. Okra soup is very fresh. Okra is really good for to help with your weight loss journey. Okay, you don't need to add any swallow to it. Just take the okra on its own. It's really enjoyable. Don't add too much oil. As you can see, I just added just a little bit of palm oil. It's looking reddish because of the red bell pepper, because I just wanted it to be a red a little bit, not looking too dull. That's why I added a bit of the bell pepper, and I just chopped my okra into chunky size, not small sizes, just in a way that you can still chew your okra. And I'm just stirring everything in nicely. As you can see, our okra is just looking appetizing already. It's looking, eat me, eat me, eat me, like have me right now. So I'm just gonna let that just steam for just 2 minutes. Okay, don't overcook your okra. You still want to have it looking really greenish. Okra doesn't take time to cook, so I'm just letting that to cook for 2 minutes, and our okra should be ready. Just allow it to boil for like a minute, and then I'll now go ahead to add a little bit of vegetables. Okay, the vegetable I'm going to be using is uziza leaves. I don't know what it's called in English language, but I added uziza leaves. Okay, Nigerians should know what uziza is. It's a vegetable, it's just a fresh vegetable that adds more flavor to the soup. Okay, it's a very flavorful. So I always like to add uziza in my okra, in my egusi, in vegetable soup. Like if I just want to make just vegetable soup with ugu like that, I just add is uziza. Sometimes I do uziza and ugu leaves. Yeah, and that's it. So our okra is all ready. As you can see, nothing too fancy. It's very simple but super delicious. Okay, try this recipe and let me know what you think. Okay, let me know how it turns out. Okay, I'm sure you're going to love it. You drop your comments in the comment section and let me know your thoughts on this. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button, share out the video, okay, to other people, so that they can learn one or two things from this. Okay, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I am grateful as usual. um Kindly subscribe if you haven't, share, and then I will see you on the next one. Bye.